Technological innovation has empowered the high-quality development of Xiong'an New Area, China's city of the future, since the country announced the decision to establish the area 7 years ago. At the Xiong'an Institute of Innovation, researchers are diligently conducting experiments, striving to advance technology and its practical use in daily life.
我们的研究主要是围绕这个微波光列的器件与集成技术研究，和我们日常相关的应用主要包括这个5G 通信、自动驾驶、智能感知、智能计算。通过我们的研究的话，我们这个通信的速率可以5倍左右的这个提升，然后这个延迟时间更短，然后我们日常生活中这个移动网速会更加流畅。
Transitioning technological achievements from laboratories to real-world applications requires support from industrial innovation platforms. In the high-tech industrial park in Xiong'an, there's a testing ground for innovative products.
科技成果完成从0至1的突破之后，从1至100这个过程中仍存在诸多的不确定性。哪条路可以快速实现产业化，仍需在中试的过程中不断的挖掘。依托中试基地，我们去年申报的工业巡检机器人项目被河北省科技厅评选为重大科技成果转化项目。
To foster innovation, Xiong'an has implemented favorable policies, drawing a wealth of talents from home and abroad. Many industry professionals and tech companies aspire to grow alongside Xiong'an, envisioned by China as a green, innovative city and a national model for high-quality development.
雄安新区针对人才推出了非常多的优惠政策，也是在这些人才政策的吸引下，有100余位的人才加入了雄安创新研究院。
On April 1st, 2017, China announced plans to establish Xiong'an New Area, located about 100 kilometers southwest of Beijing. The new area is designed to take over Beijing's functions non-essential to its role as the national capital.